Hey everyone, I am Bryce, and today I am going to explain to you how to join TikTok Creativity Program. Start by opening the TikTok app on your mobile device. Tap on your profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen to access your profile. In your profile, go to the settings menu. You can usually find this by tapping on the three dots or lines in the top right corner of your profile page. Look for a section called Creator Tools or something similar. This is where you will find options related to joining programs and accessing additional features for creators. Within the Creator Tools section, there may be an option to join the Creativity Program or a similar program. Tap on this option to initiate the process of joining. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the application or enrollment process. This may involve providing information about your content, audience, and other relevant details. After submitting your application, wait for TikTok to review and approve your participation in the Creativity Program. This may take some time, so be patient. Once you are approved, you can start leveraging the benefits and resources provided through the Creativity Program to enhance your TikTok content. Keep in mind that eligibility criteria and specific steps may vary based on TikTok's policies and the region you are in. It is always a good idea to check TikTok's official website or contact their customer support for the most accurate and up-to-date information regarding their programs. On that note, that will be it for this video. I hope you guys got some value. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.